What is up, everybody? Rastafari Smith here, and today for you guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to make an emoji. You see on my screensaver right here? I'm going to teach you guys how to make something like that, and it's only one simple app. It's called Bitmoji. You'll see the logo right over there. And basically what Bitmoji is, it is an app where you can create an emoji that looks like you. So if you guys do watch and enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Again, I say hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and press that notification bell. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. And I'm going to be recording my phone as I get into the app. So it's called Bitmoji. And it might appear on screen now. It's on screen now. It's going to be right here probably. So when you get into the app, you'll see login in Snapchat and sign in with email. I'm going to go ahead, since I don't have a Snapchat, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with email. And if you guys have a Snapchat, you go ahead and sign with it with your Snapchat. But I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my email. And it's asking your birthday. So I'm going to go ahead and give them my birthday. Alrighty. As soon as I come up on it, there it is. I'm going to put my year in. And I'm going to continue. Now here's the sign up page where you'll put your first name, your last name, your email address, and your password. So I'm going to go ahead and put my first name. And my last name. And I'm going to go ahead and do my email address, but I'm going to blur it. I'm going to blur it out on screen so you guys don't see it. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my password again, blurring it out so you guys can't see it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click sign up. My email is already in use, so I'm going to go ahead and use another one. There we go. Oh, I have 2 emails in use. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, since Bitmoji is not too tight on security for your email, I'm just going to go ahead and put a random one in. So I'll unblur it so you guys can see it. I'm just going to go ahead and put something real random in. There we go. And then I'll press sign up. Alright. Now when you get in Bitmoji, it's going to ask you whether you want to be a girl or a boy. On the top is a girl, on the bottom is a boy. I'm going to go ahead and click boy because I am, in fact, a boy. And it's going to ask you if you want to start with a selfie. Now, normally, when I first used this app and I click start with selfie, it just took my picture and put it right there so I can copy it. So I wouldn't recommend doing a selfie. So I'm going to go ahead and select skip. And I'm going to go ahead and press boy. Now, here you can pretty much do anything. Eyes, hair, skin tone, whatever you have the choice for hair treatment if you want to. And I'll show you every option there is. Now, on the first page, you see I'm on skin tone. So I'm going to go ahead and pick my skin tone. Is this my skin tone? It's loading, guys. Sorry. Let me go ahead and put my Wi-Fi on real quick. Alright. I'm going to go wait for my Wi-Fi to come on. There it is. Alright, so I think that's my respective skin color, but I'm going to go with the one on my profile pic. No, not that one. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Okay, so next we're going to go into hair. And hair color, I'm going to go ahead and choose matte black. My hairstyle. Now this, you have all these different kinds of styles. Some of them have not loaded in. But you have all these different kinds of styles, guys. There's a ton of styles. So the style I'm going to go with is the nappy head because, of course, you guys see my hair nappy to the T. So I'm going to go ahead with the nappy haired one. Hair treatment. Now this is where you can put different colors in your hair. Like I could put brown in my hair. I could put light brown. I could put like a maroon color in it. I can put like a lighter brown. I can put, what is this, like a kind of darker brown. I can put a red in there or a pinkish red. I can put any color I want, like blonde or anything, even freaking gray or blue. I can put anything I want. But I'm going to go ahead with black because my hair is all black. Then I'm going to go on facial hair. Since I don't have no facial hair, I'm going to go ahead and skip this tab. This facial hair color in case you do pick facial hair. Then you have eye shape. So this is where you can really customize your character. So you guys see my eyes. My eyes are pretty big. Like, look at my eyes, guys. My eyes are pretty big. But, yeah. So I think this is my respective eye shape. Then you have eye size, eye spacing. You even have eye color, which I'm going to go ahead and choose brown because look at my eyes. They're brown. Brown to the teeth. Then I'm going to go to eyebrows. Now, eyebrows is where you get real in depth. So you can choose thick eyebrows. You can choose freaking skinny ones. You can choose these freaking pencil ones. There's a whole bunch of stuff you could choose from. You can even choose the Dwayne Johnson look with one eyebrow raised. You got all these different eyebrows. The one I like to go with is this one because I have very bushy eyebrows. But I don't always go with that one. I usually go with this one. So we're going to go ahead and pick nose. Oh, I forgot. You can pick eyebrow colors. So I'm going to go ahead and matte black. Then your nose. I don't really go into all the detail when I'm making my Bitmojis. But you guys can if you would like. So just for the sake of this video, I'll go through it. So my nose is kind of this shaped. And I have glasses on. I have like these big freaking frames on, or not like that, like that. I have those big frames on. So look at my glasses compared to my character's glasses right there. Look similar? Do we look similar? We don't look similar at all. We don't look similar at all. But you can choose your jaw shape as well. So I like to keep it with the default, but of course there's this option, this one, which this one looks actually pretty good. This one is like a thicker one than this one, I guess. My hair is pretty thin, right? My head is pretty thick, right? Like, does that look like me at all? Make the same face he's making. Does that look like me at all? No, I probably have a thicker face. Then you have face shape. So you can choose your face shape. Then there's mouth options. You can have freaking lipstick on. You can have freaking mild lipstick or no lipstick. I'm going to go with no lipstick because I don't wear lipstick. But your ears can be like different sizes. As you can see, the ears change just a little bit. Then you have cheek line. Then you have face lines. So there's cheek lines, there's forehead lines, and there's eye lines. I like to go with the forehead lines and choose this because I think it looks freaking bad. And then my favorite part is headwear. My favorite part of choosing my Bitmoji is headwear. So you have all these different types of headwears. Like if you're from freaking France, you can wear a beanie. Or if you're from like freaking what's that place name? Indonesia, you can wear a freaking straw hat. I don't even know if people wear straw hats in Indonesia. Forget that comment. You can choose a regular Bitmoji hat, a Snapchat hat, burger, pizza, pineapple. Oh my god, it's making me hungry. Ice cream. Oh my gosh. You can choose a freaking skull. A skull, guys. A skull. Oh my goodness. You can wear these freaking hats from like that Virgin Islands. You can be a freaking king. King Rasta, your boy. You can be a freaking king. You can be a graduate. Like if you really wanted to, you could be like a literal graduate. I like to pick the backwards hats like these. I like to pick up backwards hats, and I like to go with the all black look. Now, body type, you can go little fat, skinny as hell, muscular, which I like to go muscular even though I ain't got no muscle. You can go fat or fat as hell. Fat as hell. Fat as hell. I'm going to go muscular. Then you can choose an outfit, guys. This is where you can really be creative. Like, look at these outfits. Like, my character looks freaking dope. I should probably change my hat if I'm going to wear this shirt, though. Because there's a hat that goes with this. It's this one. Yeah, so, literally, look at that. Just look at that. Oh my god, that looks so spectacular. And then if you're all done, if you're finished, if you want to save it, you can either click the check mark up on the right hand corner or the check mark the down right hand corner. So I'm going to go ahead and click the one up the right hand corner. And then what's really cool about Bitmoji that's not cool about anything else is you can literally choose like things that your character does. Like he can be happy. Like look at all these spectacular things that you can pick for your characters. Normally, I'm gonna show you guys what I pick. I pick the faces. I pick so you guys see the guy, him holding the fork and the knife. Well, above that there are the 3 faces. There are the 2 faces next to it, and they're the faces with the crown. I like to pick all the faces over here, like all these in the shot. I like to pick all the faces because if you guys don't know, the king crown is what I made my my icon out of for my channel. So I like to pick those. But you guys can pick anyone you like, and then you can go in shirts. Like if you want to make your guy look like a gamer, let's say you can go search Bitmoji, and then you can go gaming or games or gamer. Like see gaming here, then there's games, and then there's gamer. Like all these different things that you can do with your Bitmoji. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I appreciate it very much. And that's going to be it for this episode. Like I said, like, subscribe, press that notification bell, and if you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.